This is our pump jack system, and we just have a little display set up. These are Werner pump jacks and aluminum poles, and then also an 8-foot Werner pickboard. And these pickboards, we carry them all the way up to 26 feet long, so you can work on a pretty long wall with just 2 of these pump jacks and pole setups. And you can see that the board base right here, this is I believe it's a 14-inch wide board, and you can see that it extends out for wider boards, and you could even put 2 boards on there if you want to. And then the pump jacks, it's a simple system, and you just do this to raise it up, and so you'll need to do that on the other side to make the board even. But pretty simple way to get up the wall is, you know, you're working up the wall, whether you're doing stucco or putting up siding or even painting. So it's a good system. It's lightweight, fast to set up, fast to take down, and easy to transport. And you can find out more information at swscaffolding.com.